Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something special, the legendary Sony MDR7506 headphones. Trusted by audio professionals around the world, these headphones have been a studio staple for decades. And in this bundle, you also get a durable headphone case and an extra year of warranty coverage. Let's jump right into the unboxing. Let's talk features. Powerful sound. With neodymium magnets and 40mm drivers, these headphones deliver detailed highs, clear mids, and deep bass, ideal for mixing, recording, or just enjoying your favorite music. Noise isolation. Thanks to the closed-ear design, external noise is greatly reduced. That means you can stay focused whether you're in a noisy studio or working from home. Comfort and build. The cushioned ear pads sit comfortably on your ears for long sessions, while the foldable design makes them easy to store in the included case. Connectivity. These are wired headphones with a 9.8-foot cord, ending in a gold-plated plug for better signal transfer. You also get a 1/4-inch adapter, making them compatible with a wide range of audio equipment. Frequency response. Covering a range from 10 Hz to 20 kHz, you'll experience the full spectrum of sound, from the lowest bass to the highest treble. And let's not forget, this bundle also includes that extra 1-year extended warranty, protecting your investment. I've been testing these for a while, and honestly, they're amazing for both professional and personal use. If you're a musician, podcaster, or sound engineer, you'll appreciate the accuracy and clarity. If you're a casual listener, you'll love the rich sound and noise isolation. And for travelers, the foldable design and soft case make them a perfect companion on the go. One thing to note, the cord is not detachable, so it might not be ideal for everyone who prefers wireless. But the trade-off is reliability and consistent sound quality. These headphones are perfect for music producers and audio engineers who need reliable studio monitors, gamers who want immersive, high-quality sound, audiophiles who value clarity and depth, frequent travelers who want durability and comfort. Basically, if you need professional-grade audio at an affordable price point, the Sony MDR7506 headphones are an excellent choice. So there you have it, the Sony MDR7506 Professional Headphones bundle with case and 1-year extended protection. If you're ready to upgrade your listening experience, check out the link in the description below to grab yours today. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.